I hope the parents enjoyed receiving their awards and you got a feeling of what your children feel when they receive awards. And it's time for us to acknowledge our wonderful colleagues. This person is being recognized for her commitment to leadership and school improvement. Amanda Carter. Amanda is a respected and quiet powerhouse of the BHNPS staff. With humble demeanor, she does an amazing amount of work for the school, improving outcomes for students and colleagues without acknowledgement. Her expertise and willingness to lend a hand have fostered a positive and collaborative atmosphere within the school. She is an asset to BHNPS. We now recognize Caitlin Larkin for cultivating an inclusive and positive school culture and improving student health and well-being. In the so many years of our association with BHNPS, Caitlin stands out as exemplary in her communication and collaboration with students and parents. She's always welcoming with a smile on her face and happy to answer any questions. She has a wonderful rapport with the students and always makes them feel valued and important. Candice Mammoth for fostering strong school-home partnerships and consistently going above and beyond to improve student outcomes. Candice always goes above and beyond in her role as classroom teacher. The students love going to school every day due to her enthusiasm and care. She helps new students settle into class easily and supports families to get their kids to school happily each day. She's greatly valued and appreciated. Carolyn Armstrong.
She just left.
We'll acknowledge her one more time. Mr. Holmes. For commitment to leadership and school improvement and fostering strong school and community partnerships to improve student outcomes. Grant is a dedicated principal who believes in an inclusive and positive school culture. His commitment to duty is invaluable, and his love and attention to students and their families is remarkable. He greets everyone with a smile, even outside of the school settings. He is to be commended for his exceptional efforts in leading and fostering the growth of our students and school community. Shaya. For consistently going above and beyond expected duties to improve student outcomes and for cultivating an inclusive and positive school culture. Louise is a brilliant educator who always goes above and beyond. She continually strives to enhance student learning experiences, keeping literacy alive and fun, and fosters positive relationships with students with flair and passion. She is a pioneer of tech education and was an integral part of the innovation program setup. She excelled during home learning, putting in hours of effort to engage the children and improve their well-being through her entertaining and educational videos. Her enthusiasm is evident to all, and she's an asset to our school. May she never leave us. For commitment to leadership and school improvement and consistently going above and beyond expected duties to improve student outcomes. Mark strives to give his class the best lessons possible and is always willing to help his colleagues, putting others before himself. He goes above and beyond in his leadership of our school sport, effectively managing the details to ensure our students get the opportunity to participate in PWSA, athletics, and swimming hurdles, and cross-country carpooling. He deserves our recognition and appreciation. wonderful office ladies for consistently going above and beyond expected duties to improve student outcomes. Oh, lovely to see you all. Janet, Liku, Sandra, Leanne, Amanda, and Susan. The office ladies are an asset to our school. Whenever a staff member, parent, or student needs assistance, these ladies always drop whatever they're doing and with a smile help whoever needs it. They give a welcoming, friendly, and professional face for all who deal with them each day, accurately reflecting the values of our school among the community. They are an asset to BHNPS. Sandra Bergen for demonstrating excellence and commitment to school improvement. Sandra is an outstanding business manager whose unwavering dedication, guidance to staff, leadership, and extraordinary abilities result in her providing a service that makes a real difference and adds value to our entire school community. Stephanie Lee, for consistently going above and beyond expected duties to improve student outcomes and for cultivating a positive school culture. Stephanie consistently goes above and beyond to support the growth and learning of her students. She is highly responsive to the needs of both students and parents and is clearly passionate about ensuring students feel known and cared for. We appreciate all her time and dedication. For consistently going above and beyond expected duties to improve student outcomes and for commitment to leadership and school improvement. Sue is an inspirational education leader who advocates for all students through inclusive practice and actively implements positive support systems throughout BHNPS. She consistently goes above and beyond to do all that she can for our school. She not only discharges the duties associated with her role as a deputy principal, showing exceptional leadership and organization, but will always make time to assist another member of staff, a student, parent, or community member in any way she can. Susan C. for improving student health and well-being, fostering strong school and community partnerships, and cultivating an inclusive and positive school culture. Susan always goes above and beyond with her role in the front office, creating a welcoming and happy environment for students and parents. Every dealing with her, either in person or over the phone, is a lovely experience. To be greeted with a smile every time you walk in the office is so comforting. She's so kind to the students, always taking care of them and making them feel safe. I commend Susan for her passion and dedication to her role and for representing BHNPS in such a positive light. She delivers amazing customer service and deserves to be recognized for the difference she makes. Thank you. We've got Ms. Armstrong back. Carolyn Armstrong for outstanding leadership in the creative and performing arts. Carolyn consistently goes above and beyond, giving extraordinarily generously her time to mentor other teachers and to provide an enormous range of development and outstanding performance opportunities for our students. And today was one such example. Last on my list, but certainly not the least, Kim Sings for commitment to leadership and school improvement. Kim is an outstanding member of staff at BHNPS. She's extremely knowledgeable on curriculum and best practices and goes above and beyond for colleagues, students, and community members. She has a busy family life outside of school, but always makes time for others. One more round of applause, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We know what to do. Let's show it to our students.